everybody, welcome to today's post-race data analysis at Laguna Seca. Today what we wanted to do was to have a look at how we can improve our lap performance using the data that we've captured from the fastest lap. Specifically what we want to do is to see whether our podium finishers can really tell us anything with their data regarding where we might want to look for clues in the track to where we can make the biggest gains. Laguna Seca has got a very, very famous corner in the corkscrew because of how blind the turn is, how steep the elevation is between the two turns. Quite rightly, it is a very, very challenging turn. And is that really the turn where we can make or break our fastest laps? And from the speed charts that we've got here on the right, where we've got our fastest lap and our podium finishers, we can see how everyone's speed compares for that particular lap, which is lap 6, and specifically where the troughs are, where the racers are going through the different turns. Where we've got this steep trough right here is turn 8, otherwise known as the corkscrew, and what we found is quite interesting is the fact that everyone seems to have the braking point around the same bit, and the speed's not very different for each of our 4 racers as they go through the turn and exit out of it. The speed seems to be again pretty much the same. And actually, if we have a look, we can see that the big differences are in the turn before the corkscrew, the one after the corkscrew, and also this one here, which will be turn 4. As we have a look, and on the map, they look fairly innocent. Some of the least tighter turns that we've got on the tracks, 4, 6, 9, and 10. Which will be right here, and here. But they're where the big differences are. And I find that particularly interesting that a course with so many different technical challenges, it's the ones that you think they're the easiest that are the ones that provide the biggest difference. But that's what we've gone and seen. What have you seen within the data that you think tells a great story? Please let us know in the comments down below. Special thanks today for our race sponsor at Splunk. And this is Westy signing off.